This easy meat pie is crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. I'm starting with the filling. First, I season the ground meat with salt, black pepper, and savory. I chop one leek and lightly sauté it. I add the ground meat and cook it until it breaks into small crumbles. Finally, I add a little paprika and let the filling cool down. For the topping, I mix 3 eggs with 200 grams of plain yogurt, in which I have stirred 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. I also add 100 milliliters of sunflower oil and mix everything well. I start assembling the Phyllo pie by brushing one Phyllo sheet with the mixture and adding some of the filling. I roll up 2 Phyllo sheets into a log and place them in a baking dish greased with oil. I continue the same way until all the Phyllo sheets are used up. I spread the remaining topping mixture evenly over the Phyllo pie. I bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, until golden brown and fully cooked. The result is a wonderfully aromatic, juicy, and delicious Phyllo pie with ground meat. If you enjoyed this recipe, please leave a like and subscribe for more homemade recipes. Thank you for watching.